Add thrust. I think it's a 2600.
Oh, you got
KV.
the high KV. Okay.
With the XRP 14 blade.
Yeah, I'm taking off. Taxiing out to take off.
It's so quiet.
It is super quiet.
Oh,
It's like stealth.
I know.
China cleared.
All right, going up.
Gear up.
Hey, low pass, low pass. It's gonna be a lot faster than mine. Oh my God! Listen to that. Woo! Thing's moving.
This thing is just a rocket ship.
It was meant for 4S.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing another fast one. Fast-ish compared to yours.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, that thing's fast.
The old mustard yellow weird stripe on made it a little more visible.
Yeah, it was easier to see.
Yeah, it's a little harder to see than previously.
Sounds amazing though.
It really does. It's not the quietest plane I think I have.
For not being touched, this
Time
fan
remaining
sounds really
1
good too.
minute.
Yeah.
That's FMS did a good job on theirs. All right, let me get a little hotter on this pass.
Alright, I'm gonna land.
Okay, I'm gonna do a pass before you come in.
Okay.
So how do you guys on time?
I'm going to be coming in here, Joaquin.
I'm landing.
Right, I'll be landing right after Carl,
Okay.
and you'll have the whole
All
sky,
mine.
whole sky to yourself.
This guy's all yours.
Whew!
What is that called?
10. Gear down. 9. 8. 7.
Fast landing.
6. 5. 4. 3.
Whoa, lots of thermals.
1.
Okay.
Time expired. Landing flaps.
Way down there at the end.
Okay. I'm going to try to keep it close because I don't like it. Is. I feel it. I'll still try to land that way. I have the brakes. I'll put the brakes on.
You have brakes in this?
Air brakes.
Oh, air brakes.
Braking.
It's all right. I'd rather do that than roll all the way to the end.
Release.
And it's crosswind, so it always gets weird.
Flaps up. Braking. Release.